Ri varisela Mafhungo SABC ubva pano Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Twi Mafhungo mahulwane nga chino chifhinga kea.
Cabinet extended its appreciation to South Africans who participated in peaceful protests against unregulated migration.
Minister ofisini ya President vakumbudza Nchaveni vari kabineti yotanganidza migwalabo yochimbidzwawo nga mulalo ya lafuraru la mwedzi woperawo. Komishini ya thodisiso ya madlanga yotecheresa vutanzi malugana na tendera ya PPE na mimask. Madaro wa presidente wa kale wa Zuma kala India heba bonana venabo AJ Gupta na mkomishinari wa Afrika Chipembe ovusa nyambo.
We believe in every player that we have in the batting lineup, and they just need to play their role well. And I guess, it didn't work out for us this time around.
Proteas yoriva puyesa kono ushuma zwavudi ka mitambo ya lifasi ya T20. Nda ndi madekwana riva tsela Mafhungo pano ka SABC 2 SABC Plus na kali hai. Minister ofisini ya Presidente vakumbudza Nchaveni vari kabineti yotanganidza migwalabo yochimbidzwawo nga mulalo ya lafuraru la mwedzi woperawo wa Fulwi umona na shango. Migwalabo iyo ye yadzudzanywa nga vadzangano la vadzulapo la March and March na mamwe madzangano anopira fumbiri achita khwelero ya uri vadzulapo vabvawo ka mamwe mashango vasina manwalo a thendero uva khaleno shango vahumele une vabvawone na uri muvhuso ukhwatise chanda kha milayo elangaho thundu.
Cabinet extended its appreciation to South Africans who participated in peaceful protests against unregulated migration and commended the National Joint Operations and Intelligence Structures, commonly known as NOID joints, for enforcing peaceful protests on the 30th of June 2026. The NOID joints have briefed on the details of incidences, and therefore Cabinet will not repeat those details. Cabinet also commended the work of the Interministerial Task Team under the chairship of Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Ms. Mamoloko Kubai, for the sterling work in the implementation of the comprehensive approach to managing migration as announced by the President on the 7th of June 2026. Cabinet received an update on the implementation of the 5 pillars of the comprehensive approach, which progress include under the law enforcement pillar, increased labor inspections at companies suspected of employing undocumented foreign nationals under the guidance of the Deputy Ministers of Employment and Labor, Mr. Jomo Sibia, Deputy Minister of Home Affairs, Mr. Njabulo Nzuza, and Deputy Minister of Police, Dr. Poli Bushielo. Ensuring orderly and lawful deportations with the re-establishment of Immigration Specialized Court in Durban that worked to process deportations that were being facilitated at Sherwood in Durban, the Immigration Court at the OR Tambo International Airport, sorry for the abbreviation, ORTI, that's what we call it, and the reactivation of the court at the Lindela Repatriation Center in Krugersdorp.
Abantu bazigidi basina mangwaro a tendero ya uva khaleno shango vabvawo ka shango la Malawi na Zimbabwe uvaiswa gamba ni ntswa musina vunduni la Limpopo. Abantu avo vobviswa luvandeni lwa musina murova he vasukela hone ulindelo perera kha mashango ane vabva khawo. Gamba ntswa yavaiswa khayo inachomedza zoteaho ufana na mabunga na madhi okunawo aunwa. Vamwe vosumbedza kutakalela chikhala ichi cha uthusiwa ori vakono kugumela mashangoni ane vabva khawo nga murahu wa migwalabo ya vege yoperawo.
I'm coming here from yesterday, but nothing changed there. Home affairs now is too slow there because of too much of people here. Yeah. Right.
So no food?
Yeah, it's too much people yesterday. You come here because yesterday
Do you have food here?
Yeah. Since yesterday you come here, no change. Home affairs is slow.
I wanted to thank for this program, starting today up to towards until to deported us to our home. all those people came from Zimbabwe, Malawi, and all those countries. We are happy to go our home.
Vatu varipira madana matanu maviri na maviri 700 vari vadzirapo vashango la Malawi vodhiitira gamba pala Old Durban Drive in Kabadai vidzwawo Sylvester Ntuli. Chikwata icho chikogwauri chikoshava mishushedzo na kakati zvoambarira umona na KwaZulu-Natal na Eastern Cape. Zvazvino vakuita khumbiro ya chihadhu uri muvuso uvathuse kazviendedzi uri vamukanoni musina.
Zvotothoma utonga ndi uedzisa nga vadzirapo vabvaho kamwe mashango vasina manwalo a thendelo uva khalino shango vafumi na vatanu fedzi. Zvazvino chivalo icho cha vathu vogamba udoroboni ya Durban chonova madhana asumbe. Chigwada cha vathu ava vakuhumbira muvuso uri uvathuse nga zvinamelo zva dzibisi dzine dzadovaisa mukanoni wa Beitbridge musina vunduni la Limpopo. Kha chigwada ichi hukatelwa na vathu vebva vunduni la Eastern Cape.
We worried here because too much trouble. Where's the place we stay? We can't stay nicely there. They hit us. They said we must go.
I was just find it difficult for me to stay there just because I thought I could lost even my life. It's better for me to live to reach my country alive.
Vamwe vadzirapo avo vamashango anda vari vakupfesesa zvilo zvavadzirapo valino.
What I can request is a means of transport. Maybe the government from Malawi and the government from South Africa do us favor in such a way that they provide us transport from here to our country safely.
Vamasho muno vari vakatidodivadza uri dandetande ili vadolitandulula ngandirate.
Madaro a presidenti wa kare Jacob Zuma vani vadova hapu vava murangaphandu wa lihoro la MK kashango la India ovusa nyambo nga murahu musi khasho za pano Afrika Chipembe dzoviga uri vo Zuma vovonana venavo AJ Gupta na mkomishinari wa Afrika Chipembe khala India. Vo Zuma na vamuta wa Gupta ndive vavachivererani cha komishini ya zondo ye avachikhousedzilusa zwa ulangulwa muvuso nga vathu vannda va Gupta ndi vane vakutodiwa nga mapholisa fedzi wanedza mavariviri ayo. Khasho dza pano Afrika Chipembe dzoviga uri vo AJ Gupta vovonana vena president wa kale vo Jacob Zuma he vadalera thembele doroboni ya Harvard ine yawanala devula ngei India. Vamuta wa Gupta vabva doroboni ya Sarapu ine yawanala devula ngei India une husive kule na une yakuvigwa uri vo Zuma vodalera thembele yeneyo maferoni ya mwedzi wa Fulwi. Kha video ini yakuphataladzwa vukuma kha internet vo Zuma vopfala vachikuvudza vana Mafhungo vaenepo uri vodalera murathu na khonani India. Nawo va Zuma vasongobula vo AJ Gupta nga dzina vuri yo khonani yavo yopandelwa Afrika Chipembe nge vamwe vathu vasafune vukonani havo. Mivigo iri lihoro la MK voimela vo Zuma vari vo Zuma ndi mudzulapo wa Afrika Chipembe ane angadalera humwe na humwe hune afuna. Va SABC vahumbela vupfiwa ubva kha mukomisara muhulwane wa la Afrika Chipembe kha la India Professor vo Anil Shukla nge vavonala na vone vatsini na vo Zuma na vo AJ Gupta kha video yeneyo ye yaphataladzwa kha internet. One vo Shukla na chigwada chavo avongofindula. Vo Zuma vovudza vari Mafhungo va India uri vodalera thembele iyo huitela utangana na murangaphanḓa wa vurereli nahone vadoli vafu vaimela khetho kha la Afrika Chipembe. Vo Zuma na vamuta wa Gupta ndive vava vachivererani cha komishini ya zondo ye yava ichikosedzulusa zwa ulangulwa ha muvuso nga vathu vannda zvezwo fedza zvichikubvisa vo Zuma chiduloni. Vo Zuma na va Gupta vohanedzana na milandu yothe iyo ine vakupomukwa yone vari yova yotutuwedzwa nga zwa polotiki. Vo Atol na vo Rajesh Gupta vofarwa ngei kha la UAE nga ṅwaha wa 2022 hone shango la Afrika Chipembe lokondela vavuisa fano. Va Gupta vobvela phanḓa na u dalela shango la India miṅwaha yo fhiraho fedzi mato ova o vhalavhelesa. vhathu vhapo vha thaselwa fhano nga vhaofisiri vha zwa masheleni na vha u tevhedza mulayo. Zwi tshi hezwo ralo minista wa vhuledzani na vhaṅwe mashango vho Ronald Lamola vho sumbedza u sa farea zwavhuḓi nga mafhungo a madalo a president wa kale na murangaphanḓa wa ḽihoro ḽa MK vho Jacob Zuma kha shango ḽa India. Izwi zwi khou tevhela u vhonala ha zwifanyiso tshavho zwa Zuma vhe na vho Ajay Gupta kha zwileludzi zwa vhudavhidzani. Vho Zuma na vho Gupta vho dzhenela khuvhangano ya thabelo ya vhidzwa nga murangaphanḓa wa zwa lutendo. Vho Lamola vha ri muhasho wavho u khou sedzulusa madalo ayo.
I have noted the newspaper reports and the public information, and we have requested information from our Director General of how the visit happened, the involvement of the DERCO High Commissioner in India, the South African High Commissioner, on which capacity and what was the process that was followed. But we need to explain that, as you are aware, former presidents are entitled to privileges, and some of their privileges include facilitation through our diplomatic protocols. So we will have to inquire, and that's what we're inquiring, to find out how did this happen, what informs it, what was the nature of the visit, and what was the nature of the involvement of our High Commissioner in India. And we must state that while the Presidential Act does allow privileges to flow to former presidents, it does not allow them to run a parallel foreign policy, which seems to be the case now with former President Zuma, that he seems to be running a parallel foreign policy with the South African government.
Riche Khaldanilo, Minister of Senior President wa Kumbudzo Nchavini navo vho sasaladza madalo a Zuma ngei India. Vari izwi zwinyadzisa vhadzulapo vha Afrika Tshipembe na u dzhiela fhasi mbekanyamaitele ya shango lino na maṅwe mashango a nnḓa na sisteme ya vhulamukanyi ya vhugevhenga.
It's a level of disgrace that our own employee, the representative of the government of South Africa, hobnobs with the criminals instead of doing his work to ensure that the fugitives are brought back into South Africa so that they can face their criminal act. It is for that reason that the Minister of International Relations and Cooperations, Minister Lamola, has not only requested for a report from the official, but has indicated that drastic steps will be taken to make sure that nobody undermines the laws of this country whilst representing this country. In terms of whether we track, you are aware that there are privileges extended to former state presidents, but government is entitled to review such privileges if they are abused to undermine the laws of this republic.
Komishini ya thodisiso ya madlanga yothetshelesa vhuṱanzi ya uri nga ḓuvha ḽa vhuṱanu ḽa Fulwi ḽa ṅwaha wa 2021 mulanguli wa Canlex vho Mohamed Said vho kwama Major General wa SABC vho emisaho mushumoni vho Feroz Khan uri vha humbele Lieutenant General vho Mulife Fani mulanguli wa mveledziso ya Komishini ya SABC vho emisaho mushumoni malugana na thendara ya PPE na Mimax vho Fani vho emiswa mushumoni mathomoni a ṅwedzi wa Shundunthule nga murahu musi tshigwada tsha ṱhoḓisiso yo khetheaho tsho vha ṱumanya na thendelano i songo dzudzanyeaho nga tshifhinga tsha musi vhe kha muhasho wa gwama ḽa lushaka vhuṱanzi vhu tshimbilelanaho na vho Khan vhu khou vhaliwa kha rekhodo kha khomishini nga murahu musi vho Khan vha vhuongeloni.
Now, Commissioners, we will see as we go through this that what we will establish is that the Fani that is being referred to in this chat is it's General Fani, who's recently been suspended from the SAPS, where he was in supply chain management, held a position in supply chain management. But at this point in time, he was employed in National Treasury in a procurement position, a senior position. I just don't have it in front of me right now, but it was a senior position like head of procurement at National Treasury.
It's funny the surname.
the Fani is the surname. It's Molefe Fani.
Basi ngotuchela kure ritumara rikwata riabuya uskari. Ari kodoba pu batanganiza pano ka SABC 2 SABC Plus nakali high. Namusi opera mingwa mibiri che mubuso wa tenganirano ya buti ya mahoro GNU wabumiwa ngamburau aketo zangwa grimbiri fumbiri na 2024 musi usingorwa lihoro lokundao nga votu zoringana obusali lote ubva checho chembumbano ye ya mahoro ya bumba mubuso ono banakhanedzano za politiki kazvikoma wa policy na mugaganya gwama pedze mubuso wasimesa uri unamvera panda kamasiya andeme basakanyi ba politiki bari mubuso wa GNU wobuwedza ngandira zopamana nawo naone ndi chipida cha ndeme ka demokrasi ya shango.
I accordingly declare Honorable MC Ramaphosa duly elected President
Ramaphosa. I have just had a consultation with all the whips of parties following a consultation with the leader of the government business. In terms of Rule 48, subsection 2, we have decided to adjourn proceedings for a date to be determined by the programming committee.
The GNU has been an interesting phenomenon because it has brought about political stability. I think political parties are working very well side by side, despite the fact that there have been ups and downs. I think the straw that broke the camel's back was the deadlock over the budget.
The economy of South Africa is far below its true potential. And it has been so since 2009. However, the GNU has been in office for about 24 months now, and the issue has been about arresting the failure of South Africa.
Ne Durban maspara wapo wa alisedi bomlole kinkosi woitera kwerero bazirapo urbazike na utuchoro varabada musi baskuvera panda na nyambedzano na ba rain water onopera bege zire na chibaro bazirapo ba Heidelberg basi na madi hezo wangame gwarapo ine aba kaduba labraru.
In terms of collection, our municipality struggles. Our people are not working, and you would understand that we have built more than 10,000 houses in this financial year, RDP houses. And in those RDP houses, you must remember that 90% of the people that are staying there are indigent. And you must also remember the closing down of British American tobacco due to illicit trade of cigarette. It was paying us to close to 20 million a month, which is money that we could pay Rand Water a portion and pay ESCOM. If it closed down, now British American Tobacco does not pay that 20. In a municipality of a budget of 1.4 billion, to lose 10% of that is a bit of a challenge.
Rais kadibakani o maswa anargadito vawa tangani zama organa na pungwelo asiaya ndo ya nedrobo maspara wapo walisedi bomlule kinkosi repala retanda Heidelberg pano Gauteng yo voti wanga muriro zwichitebra wamba habo na bazirapo masiariano misimbedzonga bazirapo yo jana duba labraru one bazirapo abo bakobira chimero ya madi saizo zichibohoberera mwezi wote usina madi huita na uroba batu babiri zwichitebra kudano za bukati ya mapolisa na bazirapo abo. Zwazo batisera mapunga za ekonomi unerande yabo narayo dzika musi chimambedzwana mangoma mashereni mauwane ali pasi. Dollar rand is 16 rands 20 cents, bond on 21.63, euro on 18 rands 55, pula Botswana the 1 rand 13 cents. mikobe fala jesi intha cars verzo msugundi 4,164 platinum 1,648 oil isingokwenekiswawo $72.9 ngafagi ubva khando ya khomonara na chikwata chivaviridzi adowa madeko anavudi ndende